What's up? I'm gonna try to keep burping like a whole lot of times, alright? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Namaste. Please subscribe. Ugh, water.
You don't want it? Because you can keep this one. Get it.
Hold on.
Why?
I'm back.
What up, Nick? What am I doing? Damn, no, no. Shaking. Hey, Nick. Why you kick him? Did you try to do it again? You want to keep it? Why? No, I didn't. You got to see. Uber everywhere. 3-year-old and see, look, I'm about to look. Loss and protection. Tracker.
Alright, I'm done. I'm done. That hurts me. Please, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have to go get some water or some juice. I don't care what I get. I'm just gonna get something. Don't judge me. Bye.